the big data world, it's never just a performance question, because every dollar you spend on a more expensive anything is a dollar you could have spent on another server. You have to have the price performance metric in there, all in, software, hardware, everything together, and we've been leading in that space now for a while. The timing was actually really favorable, and in some ways I lucked out. When I came to Cisco, it was 2010, and we had just started to hear from our customers about this Hadoop thing and about a need for managing data at scale. I went and got Cloudera certified way back then, and I remember sitting in the training for that. And they kind of went through the history of Hadoop, and it was like one of those light bulb moments. I'm like, I get it now. Yeah, I mean, of course we've got this problem, and it's a problem of scale. It's a problem of the whole volume, velocity, variety issue. I think we realized that this was a revolution in the making. Clearly, our customers were going to need this kind of technology, need this kind of capability, but that it was also likely to be kind of as foreign to them as it felt to me, coming from that relational database background, and that they'd probably want some help along the way. I think what Cisco has done quite nicely over those intervening years is to introduce this technology, this new technology, into a more traditional world in a way that makes our customers comfortable and makes it easily integrated. And in some ways, and don't take this the wrong way from Cloudera, but almost makes Hadoop boring, but boring in a good way, boring in an operational sense, like boring in the idea, the sense that your pager doesn't go off at 2 in the morning on a Saturday. It's great to see data being used by every industry, by every kind of vertical. Companies that were just not in, that didn't really think about IT maybe very much. Everybody uses the Uber example, but it's pretty good, right? I mean, it's taxis, not exactly the place where you thought data was going to make a big play, and yet there we are. Every industry is ripe for that kind of disruption, or at least improvement through data-driven decision making.